some of you or most of you, if you happen to attend an in-service workshop or who want to attend a workshop or a conference or a seminar for training purposes, so what could you think? What could be the features of a workshop? What actually you would expect to learn or benefit from a workshop? So that's what we're going to see in detail here. What are the features of an effective workshop or in-service course? Right. There are three main, this has been categorized in three ways. For example, should be the goals, content, and presentation. Right. We'll see in further depth the features of goals, content, and presentation. The goals is seen as one of the important features of an effective workshop. So, for example, by goals here mean where teacher attend a course and where they understand new ideas, where they are trained how to embrace innovation in the field of language teaching. So, for example, it's important to, if teachers are encouraged to make the use of authentic materials or called computer-assisted language teaching. So, it's important to make them understand its significance for language teaching. So, this that could be one of the features. Experiencing exercises where teachers are actually, immersed into the exercises and they are actually trained and how to, accept the change or implement new methodologies. Or teachers could be involved in creating materials or reviewing critically, analyzing textbooks, or planning units or making, dividing units into tasks and activities. For example, if you want to teach reading skills, so how effectively you could teach it, and problem solving. So the content aspect of an effective workshop deals with input, where it's considered necessary to have pre-planned input for an in-service course. For example, before a course starts, so it's important to ensure that the teachers are given pre-planned input. I mean, they are given some articles to read or they are given some information to dwell on, so that they are, when they attend the workshop, they are well informed. Right. So the presentation aspect of an effective workshop deals with creating an environment where teachers are encouraged to learn from one another, where they are seen as active participants, and where they helped to have group work. And of course, an effective workshop can be constrained by a number of reasons. One of them is the time limit. So, for example, if it's a one-day service course, so it's important to have some, breaks or coffee or tea, and just to have refreshments, to ensure that the teachers are benefiting. So there are a number of types of changes which are considered to be an important part of effective workshop. So which means the activity and ensuring the group size of the teachers participants and its size of medium sort of size. So there are various features of an in-service course which we have seen here, and this is what now you could be in a position. For example, if you are asked to, or if you want to join an in-service course, so this is what you could expect from that course.